Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Droid Guy. For today's video, we are going to teach you how to stop apps from opening on Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to click on the Start menu and then click on the gear icon or Settings. On the Settings window, find and click on Apps. This one. Now on the left pane, click on Startup. Once you click on Startup, you'll see the applications which are allowed to start up when your PC is starting up. So what you need to do is to disable this, turn it off by clicking on the toggle bar. So I want to turn this off. Then Dropbox. Also this one. Snagit and Spotify. Basically, these are the apps which are starting in the startup of my laptop. Another method is to open the Run dialog box. Press Windows key plus R key to open. And then on the Run dialog box, type shell:startup. Then hit OK. Once you click on OK, the startup folder will open. So you need to check if any shortcut files are there for the app. If you see that there are shortcut files, then you have to delete those shortcut files. Keep in mind that if you delete the shortcut files, the application will not be deleted. Third method is to check msconfig. So open the Run dialog box again and then type in msconfig. A window will open. Now you need to click on Startup tab here. So in here, you'll see the certain apps that are starting up. You'll see here a list. As of the moment, there are no startup applications. It says here to manage the startup items, use the startup section of the Task Manager. Let's click on the link Open Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is opened, make sure to click on here, Startup tab. Now, these are all the applications which are starting up on my laptop. Some of these apps have been disabled already. So if you want to disable an app, just click the app and then click on Disable. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.